Hey guys, bringing you the latest news out of the WWE right now. Third video this week, by the way, guys. Anyway, guys, former WWE star Matt Bloom, aka Albert or Prince Albert, and I'm getting a text message, I think. Yep, I got a text message. Anyway, guys, according to Ring Figure 4 Online, Albert, or A-Train, as you guys may know him as, yeah, like my new ringtone. I got an email. Anyway, well, is possibly going to come back as John Laurinaitis, as I like to call him, John Laryngitis, his henchman. And, you know, as regarding to the match at Mania between Team Laurinaitis and Team Teddy Long, I'm not sure if he may come back and join the team, you know, join the team as a henchman, as, you know, a right-hand man for John Laurinaitis. But if they do lose, it is possible that John Laurinaitis will stay on as an on-air character. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will link the story in the description. Peace.